fly until I learned to fly. Stretching out my arms so that they lay against the sky. Happy just for once to know that I'm alive inside. All the voices that I hear would say goodbye. Bye, I defy you, wipe the tear just by your eye. Like season greetings in the middle of July. Why it took so long? Was something wrong with me inside? Was I like my father when the doves began to cry? I don't know the answer, but I feel the heat inside. Exploding stars from distant galaxies collide. Descendant of the sun, a loaded gun, I will survive. Every stroke I brush across the canvas of the sky. Like popping cherries in the middle of the pie. Brighter shades of red to mourn the dead the day I die. Fly without a reason.